Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 2a, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. And here all we have to do is to scroll down to find the system. Then let's localize the backup and tap on next. Let's tap on add account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Right here you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so let's simply tap on it to check the information and tap on I agree. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so tap on accept. And unfortunately we do not have another section with the details about the backup, so basically your device will back up the data to the Google account. You can back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings and text messages, and your device will back up the data automatically. So here you've got the account storage info, so you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage. Here you've got the backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, and then simply finish everything with tapping on backup now. And as you can see, your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.